Hello, today we're going to present you barcodes and QR codes from your phone to Excel. First of all, you have to download TWedge Windows that goes with your computer. Second, click on TWedge and open configuration interface. Click on TCP and change the host and service port. Open wireless barcode on your phone. Start. Preference. Then click on OK. Finally, open Start. Your computer is connected. Then you have to open Excel and you choose a barcode that you will scan it with your phone. For example, a memento.
And you have the barcode in your Excel.